Did you know the first photo of food sent over text was from Katrina White of Tempe, Arizona, to her sister? It was a piece of garlic bread that looked just like their German Shepherd, Salvador doggy.
Nah, that don't sound true.
No.
Yeah, I mean, what even is it about sharing our food with friends?
I mean, I get it. Did you even eat it if you didn't take a picture of it?
Hashtag Hail Smoothie.
Yeah, or have you ever thought that maybe deep down inside there's a desire to break bread with the people we really care about? And since our lives are getting so busy these days, it's become harder and harder to find that time. Our souls are crying out for connection. And the more they cry out, the more the sea calls to you, saying, Davy, swim, swim deeply with me. Draw closer. May we forever be caught in the swirling waters of connectivity.
Or maybe we all just really like food.
Fair enough.
Hey, man, you okay? Because it sounds like you just went somewhere.
I have never been more here in my entire life.
Why are you touching me?
Because we're friends. We love each other.
Okay, well, disconnect, David. Disconnect.
Okay.
Disconnect
yeah,
from me.
this may be a little...
Hey, why are you talking like that? That voice you're doing. What's that voice you're doing?
The ocean gave me this voice.